Start with a slip knot and make sure that the chains should be a little bit loose. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to make a chain 25. According to my measurement, I need to make 25 chains here. So if you want to make a little bit longer, first of all, you have to measure with your fingers, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 24, and 25. So now let's move to the round 1. To make a round 1, we need to make a 1/2 double. This is unfinished half double, and after this we need to make a slip stitch with the same half double loops. Again, we need to grab the yarn, insert the hook inside the stitch in yarn and pull through 3 loops, and this third loop should be, we need to make a slip stitch with the help of this third loops. Again, we are going to repeat the same pattern. Make an unfinished half double and pull through these loops. Okay, now we have to loop 25, and we are going to change our row and make a chain 1 and turn around, and we are going to just work into the back loops, and we will follow the same pattern, unfinished half double and slip stitch. We're just going to repeat the same pattern until we reach our measurement, our size. We are in the last pattern of round 2, and we will be working into the both sides. And double is unfinished half double and make a slip stitch. Again, we are going to make a next round number 3, chain 1, turn around. We'll be working just into the back loops like before we did. We are going to make unfinished half double and slip stitch. I'm in the last stitches of round number 3, and we should make the same like into the both side. We're going to make unfinished half double and make a slip stitch, chain 1, turn around, and we're just going to make a round number 4. So we are just adding rows, and we need to make a lot of rows because we have to measure with our hands. So I'm in the last stitches of round 4, and we are going to do the same thing. Grab your yarn first, and we have to insert the hook inside the both loops, not only in back into the last stitches. We have to do this, and this is unfinished half double, and we are going to do slip stitch here and chain 1, turn around. So from row 5 to row 21, we are just going to follow the same pattern. I will meet you at row 25, sorry, row 21. Okay, I just finished making round 21, and first of all we have to measure with this part. And how to measure the gloves, we need to take it here, and this one too, right over here. So I think it's fit for me. And we need to make finger holes right over here. Okay, so first of all we will just join this part. With the help of slip stitch, I'm gonna do slip stitch, make a slip stitch, we can just grab back loops and make a slip stitch. Okay, I need to measure and make a holes for this finger. Okay, we need to go for a little bit longer. All you have to do is measure with your fingers, with your hands. Okay, so right over here we need to make a finger hole. I'm gonna mark the stitches with the help of a stitch marker. We need to have like total of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. I think 5 is okay for finger. I'm gonna mark the stitches right over here. So from here we are not going to work into the both side. We will just chain 1 and we'll be making a slip stitch inside this 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think 4 is enough for this round. And now we are going to join 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to join right over here. Okay, and make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one we have to work into the both side, and we need to finish this pattern with the help of slip stitch and chain 1. So now let me measure it first and let's see the result. Wow, it's done, and it's looking so stunning. Now we have to make a ruffle part with white color of yarn. We're going to add some white and make a ruffle part. Just going to cut the yarn and fasten off here. We need to change our side because exactly our side is not here. We need to, this side is okay for now, and you guys can see it here, and it looks so good and stunning. Okay, now the result is this. We're going to make a ruffle part, so let's make a ruffle part. Okay, to make a ruffle part, we are going to use a smaller hook size 3.5 millimeter, and I'm gonna do one slip knot. And right over here, like into the front side of this gloves, we need to make a ruffle part. I'm gonna join this here and make a one chain, and we'll be doing single crochet in every stitches. One single crochet in every stitches. Okay, I just finished making single crochet stitches, and now I'm gonna do one slip stitch and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we are going to do double crochet into the next stitch. Into the same stitches, we are going to make a 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one is a 5. And in every single crochet stitches, we are going to make a 6 double crochet. So let's make a 6 double crochet in same stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Into the next round, we are going to repeat the same pattern. We have to make a 6 double crochet inside the same stitches. I'm in the last stitches of ruffle part, and I need to do 6 double crochet. And let's make a slip stitch inside the third stitches of first double crochet. And chain 1, cut the yarn and fasten off. Hide this yarn, and we need to follow the same pattern for next fingerless gloves, and I'm not going to show you here. You can just follow the same pattern for next gloves. And let me just put it down. And everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you guys love this video, don't forget to do like, subscribe, and share, okay?